Hey everybody, today's experiment is going to be using a couple of cups. If you have solo cups, they might work better, but I don't, and these plastic cups work very well, so it's good. I have spider wire again. You can use anything, just something to hang the cups with, tape, scissors, and I have a couple of water jugs with a meter stick across, but this is just going to be what I'm going to hang my cups from. So let's get started. Just take your wire, your spider wire or your string, take a piece of tape and put the string on the tape. And then these cups are pretty nice. They have a perfect little dot in the middle of the cup, and you're just going to want to make sure that the tape puts the string ending right in the middle of that dot. That way it will hang the cup nicely, like that. Again, same thing, middle of the cup. See how the string comes out from right where the dot is? There. You can just wrap it around a couple times, and then you hardly even have to tie it actually, but just tie one little knot there, and the next one, try to hang it about the same height. Tie a little knot there. Okay, so today we're going to be checking out Bernoulli's principle. And Bernoulli's principle is a principle that is depended on in flight, and when speaking about weather, and basically all it is that any movement of air creates a low pressure area, and when there's a low pressure, high pressure comes in to equalize. So what we're going to do is we're going to blow air right in between these two cups and see what happens. So make sure that they're close enough, but not too close. And then blow air from pretty far back. And they come together. See that? So we're blowing air straight through the center. And when the air goes through there, it's pulling the cups together like that. Watch, I'll stop them from swinging. See that? You'd think it would almost just blow the cups that way, but it's actually bringing them together. Stop from moving. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Awesome. So have some fun with that.